Hey guys, Ben Venz here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today I'm excited to bring to you this beautiful Nautique 230 we just took in on trade. This boat is spotless. I can't find really any dock rash. Gel coat looks great. Stickers intact. Timeless graphic there. Comes with a trailer with a spare tire. Continue walking around the boat. Sorry for the helicopter flying by. Yes, this boat does come with a cover, some poles. But as I work my way around here, I do not see any dock rash or anything. Boat's in great shape. Decals are in good shape. Swim platform's in good shape. This boat has 464 hours. So it's not overly used. Got your compartments back here. Used to store your binding lube. Good place for ropes and other things now. Ski pylon that pops up and down. Got your traditional Nautique walkthrough here. Got the hard tanks in there under the floor. This side we've got the rear facing seat that's folded up in there and your battery switches. Open this further. Got a nice pad here that lays over the walkway if you want a big sun pad in the back. Walking into the boat, plenty of seating for everyone. Got the 4 tower speakers, your hookup rope point. Tower's in great shape, bimini. Board racks are in good shape. In-floor cooler here. Lift that. There's our seat again. Got the PCM 343. Looks like some pretty new batteries. Overall in great shape. So I work my way through the boat. Plenty of cup holders. Got your bow filler cushion there. Nice Polk audio sub. And speakers throughout. You know, the vinyl's in really good shape. There's a few little spots on the back corners here starting to rip a little bit. Just wanted to note that. Looking at the dash here, 464 hours. Everything's in good working order. Ski mirror. Get your ski locker here. Driver's seat's in good shape. Bolster seat. Swiveling chair. Got your wind dam here. Glove box. Polk audio head unit. Moving forward, all the front seats are in good shape. More storage underneath these seats. That is your look at this 2008 Nautique 230 Super Air, available at Lake of the Ozarks. If you have any questions, our contact info is down below, or comment, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.